So we're now looking at the second report or dashboard in the executive report pack. And in this case, we're looking at the profit and loss report, which provides a structured month by month breakdown of your organization's financial performance, focusing on revenues, cost of revenue, gross profit, operating expenses, and resulting net income in both absolute values and percentages. It organizes financial data by GL account groups and accounts. So you can see here the hierarchical structure along the left here in this matrix. So you have the account groups followed by the various accounts that are within them. And you can actually collapse these. So if I click on all of these icons here, this will collapse the account group so you can look at the data in an aggregated fashion. I'll just expand these out again. Now you'll see that conditional formatting is used to flag performance, making it easy to spot trends, anomalies, or areas needing attention. And the filters at the top, again, we have a date filter where you can filter by year, quarter, and months, and then also a location filter. This, of course, allowing you to narrow your focus. So this report enables executives to drill into specific income or expense lines to evaluate profitability drivers, monitor cost management, and support strategic financial decisions across the business. And we are aware that P&L reports tend to be highly customized. So if this P&L structure doesn't quite meet your needs, then we can certainly work with you and your team on developing a custom one.
For more information on working with Roghnu and exploring how the data portal can help you get the most out of Sage Intacct alongside your other critical business data, scan the code on the screen or click in the link in the description.